you're as smart as I think you are, you pretty much already figured out what this video is about. So, without further ado, let's talk about camp lighting. So you're all prepared for your trip and you're packing everything in the truck, and then you get all the way up to the campsite and you're like, it's 10 o'clock at night and you just want to go to bed, and then you're like, I haven't eaten dinner, I haven't set up camp yet, and you start setting up camp and go, it's pitch black and I can't see anything. So let's talk for a minute about camp lighting. So I have a variety to choose from, but the biggest thing you want to take into consideration is what are you using the light for? This one above my head is actually the Milwaukee under hood light. So this is actually what I use when I'm working on cars. It's a natural lighting, and it's they call this high definition lighting. This light is probably my favorite light. I use this for everything. As you can see, I have it attached to my cat. And so if you're cooking something here and you want to have some really nice light that lights up the area and it lights everything up that you're working on, this is perfect. But I have a few other options and I'm going to show you those as well, but this is my absolute #1 pick and favorite, and I'll leave a link to this light in the description. Some of the other lighting I have, this is just a dollar store light, but I found that in my rooftop tent, this light is really easy to take with you anywhere. You can clip it on to the bottom of the tent all around the campsite, and they only cost $1 and they only take AA batteries. So I mean, this light has literally been in my camp pack for over 1.5 years, and the batteries are still good in it. So you can use this. These are really good, really cheap, and affordable. The second light I usually use, and this is a fan favorite, and it's a traditional, but I like this light very much. Now you can probably see it going in the background, but this is absolutely one of my favorite lights. And this is the traditional Coleman lantern. And these are 1,000 lumens, believe it or not. And I really like this light. It's a really nice light, and it's very similar to that one. The problem with this is, if you're getting beat around in your truck a lot and this thing is in storage in one of your containers, you want to make sure this thing is really secure, because it's got a glass face and it's a little delicate. It's more of a nostalgia thing, but I got 2 of these and I use them when I go camping. I just make sure that I pack them really tight. And as a side note, they put heat right out the top, so if you were in like a screen tent or something, or you could put this thing on a table somewhere, you could actually heat a small area with it. So it is kind of a dual purpose thing, kind of fun to think about. But yeah, that is the Coleman propane lantern, and I like that very much. As far as 1,000 lumens, they're like $20, so you could break one every year and still get your money out of them. But that is a great lantern and super bright, and these propane cylinders are pretty inexpensive, so yeah, that's definitely a good choice for lighting. Now, of course, I also have flashlights. I mean, 1, 2, 3 headlamps. I've got flashlights in every truck, backpack, you name it. Flashlights are always good to have. My #1 choice for the ultimate, like, tried it, tested it, I keep this in the truck. This is the Streamlight Strion Hl, and this is 650 lumens, and it's one that first responders use, and firefighters, police officers. And I keep this right in the truck. It's got a charger that's built right into the truck, and I can charge this thing, and I can grab this, and I know it's going to be reliable. This is when the first thing you want to know is when you're in the wilderness and there's a bear coming at you or something in the middle of the dark, you want to be able to light that thing up and distract them. And this is nice because you can turn it on, and it's also got a strobe mode, so you can really disorient somebody if you want to. And this is my #1 choice as a handheld flashlight. But like I said, great little flashlight. This is called the Big Larry. This one's like $20 because of the rechargeable base. I'll throw that one around, and that's nice. Headlamps. These are always a must when you're cooking or out and about in the middle of the night. So yeah, the choices are endless on lights. Well, I just wanted to say a special thanks to those guys next door who are making a racket. But yeah, Now you're asking yourself a question. Why are we not talking about truck lighting? Well, that would be another video for one thing. Second of all, the reason we're not talking about truck lighting is we're talking about strictly camp lighting. Strictly things that you want to have on you all the time. Of course the truck is wired with lights. I have scene lighting, I have fog lights, ditch lights, lights. But the point is, you want to have another source of light that's portable. So that is why we're not talking about truck lighting. But definitely stay tuned because I will be doing a video on the truck lighting in this truck. If you like this video and you want to see more content, don't be afraid to hit that button down at the bottom right here. Or is it over here? Somewhere like right there. Subscribe and like the video. And definitely get out there and explore because it's getting warmer. Well, at least where I am, it's getting a little warmer. And we need to get out and see the world. Oh, going down. As I was saying, if you like this video, like and subscribe it for the 50 millionth time. You're probably getting sick of me asking that, but help a guy out and get out there and enjoy this wilderness we got around us. There's lots of acreage and just dying to be seen. So this is Overland Garage, build and explore.